The 2026 Kawasaki ZX-6R Special Edition has finally arrived, and it feels like Kawasaki built this machine to remind the world exactly why the 600 cubic centimeters Supersport class can never die. For years, fans demanded a middleweight bike that blends raw aggression with modern tech, and now Kawasaki answers with a special edition model that pushes the ZX-6R legacy to a whole new level. Today on Global Bike Buzz, we're diving deep into everything you need to know, from features to performance, design details, real-world behavior, and the official pricing that places it right in the sweet spot for serious riders. The first impression you get when you see the 2026 ZX-6R Special Edition is simple: this thing looks fast even when it's parked. Kawasaki has given it an exclusive paint scheme with a deeper metallic green mixed with matte black accents and fluorescent racing lines that highlight the bike's aerodynamic angles. The fairings have been reshaped for reduced drag, especially at high speed, and the ram air intake design is slightly more aggressive. The LED headlights are thinner and sharper, giving the bike a meaner, more futuristic face. Even the tail section feels race-inspired, with a sleeker tail light and more sculpted body panels. Kawasaki made sure every angle screams track weapon, but at the same time, it still maintains the signature ninja identity that riders love. Under the fairings, the heart of the 2026 ZX-6R Special Edition remains a refined 636 cubic centimeters inline-4 engine, but Kawasaki has made subtle internal upgrades, tweaking the ECU, optimizing the air intake system, and improving internal friction reduction. The result is slightly more responsive throttle control, a sharper mid-range punch, and an overall smoother power band. The Special Edition now delivers around 134 horsepower with ram air assistance and a torque curve that kicks harder in the mid-RPM range, giving riders more confidence during aggressive overtaking or corner exits. And even though it's built to perform on track, Kawasaki has ensured it stays manageable for street riders, making it the perfect balance between insane performance and everyday usability. One of the standout improvements is the electronics package. Kawasaki has taken the rider assist system from the ZX-10R and scaled it down for the 600 class. The Special Edition comes with a multi-stage traction control system, wheelie control, launch control, cornering ABS powered by a 6-axis IMU, and customizable engine maps. You can adjust throttle response, engine braking, and ABS sensitivity based on whether you're carving through mountain roads or pushing limits on a race circuit. The quick shifter is now bidirectional as standard and smoother than before, making the upshifts feel like slicing through butter even at high RPMs. Kawasaki also upgraded the ride-by-wire system for more precise throttle action, which helps riders feel more connected and in control. On the chassis side, Kawasaki has kept the tried-and-tested aluminum perimeter frame but enhanced the rigidity balance to improve stability during high-speed cornering. The Special Edition gets fully adjustable Showa big piston forks up front and a Showa BFRC light rear shock, giving it race-level suspension performance right out of the box. The suspension tuning on the Special Edition is slightly stiffer than the standard model, making it more track-focused but still comfortable enough for spirited street riding. Brembo M4.32 radial mount calipers paired with 310mm discs handle braking duties, delivering strong bite and consistent performance even under heavy braking. The rear brake is also more responsive, giving riders better control when trail braking into corners. One thing riders will appreciate is the new TFT display. Kawasaki has replaced the previous LCD instrument cluster with a full-color 5-inch TFT that includes Bluetooth connectivity, navigation support, lap timing features, and on-screen riding mode customization. The graphics are crisp, and the interface feels premium, which adds to the bike's modern appeal. There is also track telemetry available through the Kawasaki Radiology app, allowing riders to analyze lean angles, acceleration data, and braking behavior after each ride session. This makes the Special Edition not just fast, but smart. The ergonomics of the 2026 ZX-6R Special Edition strike a fine balance between comfort and aggression. The clip-ons are slightly angled for better leverage during track riding, while the rear-set foot pegs offer more ground clearance for steep lean angles. The seat is firmer, slimmer, and more supportive during long rides, and the tank shape has been resculpted to give riders better knee grip and stability when shifting body weight. Kawasaki has clearly designed this bike with rider engagement in mind, making every ride, whether in the city or on the circuit, feel connected and precise. One detail that deserves special attention is the exhaust system. Kawasaki has collaborated with Akrapovič to equip the Special Edition with a lightweight titanium slip-on exhaust as standard. This not only reduces overall weight but also enhances the bike's sound profile. The updated exhaust note is deeper, angrier, and more metallic, giving the ZX-6R a voice that perfectly matches its performance. Riders will appreciate that Kawasaki managed to keep the bike emissions compliant without killing the signature Supersport soundtrack. Now, let's talk real-world performance. On straight roads, the ZX-6R Special Edition pulls hard and clean, reaching high speeds with minimal vibration and excellent aerodynamic stability. In corners, the bike shines even brighter. The revamped chassis, improved suspension, and updated electronics give it razor-sharp handling. It dives into corners aggressively, holds its line with confidence, and remains stable even when flicking rapidly from side to side. The traction control system intervenes smoothly, without disrupting the thrill of riding. Whether you're a professional rider or a weekend enthusiast, the Special Edition makes you feel like a better rider. Fuel efficiency has also improved slightly thanks to ECU updates, though the bike remains a performance-oriented machine. Expect around 16 to 18 km/L depending on riding style. Kawasaki isn't selling this bike for its mileage, but the slight improvement does make it more street-friendly. When it comes to the unique selling points of the 2026 ZX-6R Special Edition, Kawasaki has packed this motorcycle with elements that set it apart. The exclusive paint scheme, premium Akrapovič exhaust, upgraded electronics, improved engine response, advanced TFT display, and track-focus suspension tuning all elevate this model above the standard ZX-6R. It's a collector-worthy machine, a performance legend, and a bike that captures the true spirit of supersport riding in a world where many manufacturers have abandoned the segment. Kawasaki knows the Special Edition will attract riders who want something rare, powerful, and visually unmistakable. And because of this, production numbers are expected to be more limited than the regular ZX-6R, adding even more value for enthusiasts and collectors. If you're a rider who wants a middleweight machine that blends heritage, technology, and adrenaline, this Special Edition is one of the most exciting releases of 2026. Now the big question, the price. The 2026 Kawasaki ZX-6R Special Edition comes in at approximately $13,999, placing it above the standard model but still far more affordable than leader-class superbikes. Considering the upgrades and factory-installed premium components, the pricing feels justified and very competitive. So, is the 2026 Kawasaki ZX-6R Special Edition worth it? Absolutely. This motorcycle is Kawasaki's love letter to supersport fans, a bike built for riders who crave speed, precision, and emotion. Whether you take it to the racetrack, dominate twisty mountain roads, or simply enjoy weekend rides, the Special Edition provides a thrilling experience that very few motorcycles in its class can match. Kawasaki has refined the ZX-6R in all the right places while elevating its identity with exclusive features that make it truly special. It's powerful, smart, agile, aggressive, and beautifully engineered. If you want a machine that combines old-school supersport excitement with modern engineering, the 2026 ZX-6R Special Edition deserves a spot on your shortlist. And as always, this is Global Bike Buzz bringing you the latest, deepest, and most exciting reviews. Stay tuned for more upcoming motorcycle content, and let us know what bike you want reviewed next.